Good morning. We're riding here at Disneyland's Autotopia. As you can see, this ride is sponsored by Honda. You got it. Thank you. Welcome to Disneyland's Autotopia. This is sponsored by Honda and the original Autotopia. Now, for those of you conversant in Disney history, you'll recall that this originally, oh, and I saw a pretty girl there, did not include tracks and was something of a disaster when it opened. Nowadays, of course, there's tracks, so I can both film and I can also film and drive. That's the type of skill you can expect here. Now, a little bit bumpy. Interestingly enough, these are still gas powered, so you get to hear the rumble of a real engine. I wonder when that and if that changes. But for right now, we're going to just enjoy one of the first early morning rides. As you can see, it is clear sailing in front of us, and you know, just really fun. You can see the train tracks back there. Autotopia is actually a great place that you can check out different parts of the park and different side exhibits. Here you'll see, sponsored by Honda, some scenes and some artwork. Now back here is where they service the cars, and sometimes you'll see them pull them off. You can see the service bay there. And of course there's people making sure that everyone's safe back here. So, you know, we just check it out. Up here you can see, I believe this is actually the monorail track we just went under. So super fun, super cool. This is actually a nice long track as well. And really just at this time of the day, shady, cool ride. If all the California highways were like this, wow, we'd be so lucky. So now, as you can see, some of the original landscaping is really lush back here. Again, you get another view of, I believe, is that still the monorail? Yes, I believe it is. And some of the exhibits by Honda. So still quiet, but we know, there you can see the Matterhorn in the distance. So I just love it. I think it's super fun. I'm really glad we got a chance. Here's a nice piece of art. Looks like a bird flying a kite. Oh, we're going off-roading now. Wow, this is pretty cool. I don't remember this, but I'll take it. I'm glad we have our suspension. And again there, you know, you see there's sort of a confluence of all of the different things around us. Amazing, you know, we've really not run into any traffic because we're one of the first riders of the day, which I think is just the way to do it. Here you can see our traffic signs. That's pretty instructive. And I think, sadly, folks, we are coming to the end. But you can see all the different tracks above and around us for the monorail and other portions of the theme park. As you can see also, the lines are building for this ride. So if you want to do this one, make sure you get here early, or use the genie, or just be ready to be patient. But as we're pulling in, I'll say goodbye for right now. And you can see Space Mountain over there.
Prepare to stop. You are approaching the unloading.
And here we are. We're just waiting in the loading area.
One car lane from the car in front of you. To stop your car, take your foot off of the pedal. Thanks. We hope we'll see you on the road again soon. Atención, prepárense para parar. Se están acercando a la zona de desembarque.
If your pedal has stopped, go ahead and push down on the pedal really fast 3 times, as fast as you can. Go ahead and push down on the pedal fast and hard.
As you can see, this is the parking area for Autotopia. And we have and we had a car that stalled. But no worries, as I said, there's always somebody here to help. And super relaxing. Again, one of the neat things about Autotopia is you really get to see a lot of the park from the comfort of your vehicle. Hi, good morning. So here we come into the pit lane, and we're going into spot number 2. We're second place today, and so hey, thanks so much for riding along with us, and we'll see you soon.